The time is 4:15. So fast the time goes when students interact. Correct? And after now you have snacks which you can skip. Not a must, no? Is it required? Generally, my lectures are not 1 hour with a 3 hours gap. My lectures are 48 hours with no gaps. 24 hours without gap. Lot of activity, drama, games, interactions, questions, answers. People don't feel their Madhya Pradesh will not work. Only Uttar Pradesh will work. They don't feel hungry. But since you have got a schedule, I thought I will not allow you to have games. No breaks. Maybe bhajans you should have. Are you ready? Yes. Or you want games? Yes. Do you want games? Yes. Okay, if you want the games, maybe, shall I tell? Yeah, you can break for tea. While coming back, you should have I want some girls who have got some cloth which... Is there anyone who has got some cloth here? Which can be used to tie your eyes? Yeah, come here. I am going to plan a game. Which, like this, I am going to tie. Okay? You are from this school? No, you are from outside. I am not going to tie the eyes of people who are guests here. Only these school students will get this tie. But all others also should have some handkerchief or towel like this to bring. Because I am going to tie your hand. Come here. With the other fellow like this. Okay? So if you are a student in your student school, no. If you are a student in this school, you will get tied here. If you are not a student, your hand will be tied to the person who is from this school. So one boy who is from outside, center person will be from the school, other person will be here, right? And you will have half an hour. A nice game. Ready? Yes. So you should have towels like this. Yes, sir. Fine? Now we will not give the chit. We will give it outside after making the group. Soon after chai, tea, snacks, you can come back. Whoever comes first will start the game. Ready? You will have to go and run, come back fast. So we will find out one student from the local, 2 students from other schools, not same school. You understood what I'm saying? Make a 3-member team and come. That's your job. Girls have to find their team, girls team, boys have to find boys team.
16 girls are there. So 16 girls will have 1-1-1-1, 16. You select one from one here also, larger.
Is there any team who did not get number? Number 8. So the team is number 8. Come and collect. One of you come and collect. Number 9. Is there any number 9? Did you get number? Come here. What is your 3 number? Number 10. Sir, did you give any number?
11, 12, 13.
Where is 11? Number 12.
Number 11, 12, 13.
Keep quiet, all the boys. Keep quiet. Is there any team here who did not get number?
Yes, this team is there, sir.
They did not get. Okay, so this is team number 10. All the boys, clap hands. I said clap. I don't want sound. The clapping is to make you silent. Girls, don't talk. I said don't talk. I want full silence. I said I want full silence. All the teams up to 12, they have their slips with you. We are going to do the same with the boys. Instruction to you, listen very carefully. Sir, you can read the place names, then I will tell you what is to be done. All the place names.
Number 1, please raise your hand. Team number 1. Team number 2. Team number 3. Team number 4. Team number 5. 5.
Team number 5. Team number 5.
Team number 6. 6. You have the sheet?
Where is your chip?
Then how you became 6 number?
12, 13, 14. Okay, they can be given 5. The last one, 12. Where is the 12 number? 13. Yeah, give them 13 back. Take this slip. 6, no? What is the number? 6. Okay, fine. We'll give that.
Here 15 locations are there where you have to reach and you have to take the signature of the teachers who are available there. In that sheet which is given to you. Number 1, boys, you please keep quiet, then only you will understand this game.
All of you stand up. Make the 3-member team and sit down fast.
Listen, all of you who are going to participate here in the first round. Now you will go throughout the campus. Here that 15 locations are given. Listen carefully, all of you. 15 locations are there where you will go throughout the campus. In these 15 locations, 15 teachers are there. They will put signature in where their location is there. All of you sit down at their locations. No talking. Those teams who are talking will become invalid. Those students who are talking will become invalid. They will not play the game.
Hey, you last boy.
If you speak, you are going to be caught and you will not be part of this team. I want full silence. There are 15 locations written and the slip will be given to you. The local student will not be able to see anything because his eyes are tied. The other two students are going to get them, but this is written in a sequence. That 15. Stand up. You stand up, beta. Which is your team member? Stand up. Take them invalid. They are not valid. Get out.
Go.
Get out. Go and stand there. I don't want even now. Full silence. Stand here, inside. Stand there. This sequence is just written random. But if you go through this sequence, you will become too late for coming back. When 10 teams or 12 teams, the first 12 girls are being sent, we are going to write down the time. It may be 4:55. You are supposed to cover this in 15 minutes and come back. Maximum 20 minutes. As you come with all the signatures of the teachers who are available there, you have to get their signature. In case if you open your eyes, there are a lot of people watching you. You will become invalid. They will write the invalid. Your chance is gone. You have to get signature from maximum, not necessarily.
First location.
This is that.
वो जहाँ लिखा है कि वही उनको पूछो ना he should say that is why he is
Which one? Start from this is not the start from. Where? Show me the location. Which one?
स्टाफ रूम लिखा है स्टाफ रूम लिखा है
Where it is written? This one. Sure. Yes. Whether it is